So today I'm gonna show you guys how I got this look. Super cute, super bold, super me. Sorry, this is just me. Looks too good, too good. Stop, cause y'all playing with me. Stop. But anyway, let's get into this. I'm playing too much. I'm playing with y'all too much. Okay, let me stop. So we're just gonna get into it and I'm gonna show you how I did it. And next video, I'm gonna show you how I installed it. TTYL. Hey guys, so we're starting off with Shimmer Light shampoo and putting it in water. It could be cold, warm, whatever you like. But we do this so we can take out the yellow tones in the blonde hair. We take it out because we want our colors to be bright and shining. And the yellow in the blonde wigs, it's not gonna help with that. So take it out. Take it out. Out. And it's not really necessary to do this, but I think it is because it helps the colors shine bright. That's just my opinion. You don't have to, but I think you should. Right here, I'm just taking out the shampoo, not adding anything extra to it. Notice how the wig isn't blonde anymore. It's a silverish grayish tone, and that's exactly how you want to start off when you're putting colors on your wig. You want them to be bright and bold, not dull and boring. Okay guys, no boring nothing over here, okay? Guys, realize for this process, there's no right or wrong way to do it. I mean, mix and mingle with colors that you like together or put random colors together. It doesn't matter. There's literally no right or wrong way to do this. And for me, in my wig, my base was mainly yellow, but you can switch it up. And right here, you see me wiping my hands on the towel because after every color, you want to take that color off the gloves. Like, you don't want them to mess up. And I mean, you could leave it on there and mix and mingle colors like I just said, but me personally, I wanted strict colors on each strip of hair. Y'all, me doing this section right here reminded me of something, but I just couldn't put my mind to it. Like, I couldn't remember. And then, guess what? I remembered. And it reminded me of the nails I did once before. And I'm about to show y'all. It's too cute of a combination. Like, what? Come on. You can't even get better than that. Come on. Anyway, back to the scheduled program. The section frontal is a bit different. You want to go in with a comb and put the dye on the comb and brush it through the hair, because at that point you're near the lace and you do not want to get color on your lace. That's not cute. It's not going to look right. So be careful. Be very careful. But this is way better than just getting the brush, the dye brush, and just putting it on there, because it's way more precise with the brush. Also, on some parts of the frontal, I would grab a section and put different colors through the base of the hair, if that makes sense. Just like right here. I let the dye sit in overnight, and then the next morning I took it out with water. Nothing else, no shampoo, no nothing, just water. And then I went in with silicone mix just to bring the hair back to life again and make it soft and silky. Just going in with my Remington flat iron and a rat tail comb. I'm just bumping the ends and flat ironing the hair. Nothing crazy, just going and bump, bump, bump. After flat ironing the hair, this is the final look. Love what I did to my hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because guess what? There's more coming. There's a lot more coming, trust me. A lot. And guess what?